beautiful people. Oh man, it's been a minute. So lately I've been mixing foundations, but before I put on my foundation, I'm going to use my MAC strobe cream, just a little bit, just to give me some glow. And I'm gonna do the look that I've been doing lately that everybody's been loving. Well, I mean, everybody who sees me and sees my Instagram posts, they really love this look. And it's super simple, so let's go ahead. I've been mixing two foundations. My favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay. I'm in the shade 355, and the Maybelline Matte Poreless in the same shade 355. And I mix these together, and it gives me the most beautiful base. And I'm white under the eyes because of my concealer, because I went ahead and cleaned up my eyebrows that need to be plucked so very badly. So I normally do like one pump of each, and I'll just dab this on and then buff it on. Now, a lot of people always ask me, how do you get your skin to be so smooth, or your foundation to be so smooth? I honestly think it's my skin. I don't think it could be the foundation too. I think I'm just really good at putting on foundation. But I'll show you guys what I do to get a really nice smooth base. I didn't prime because I just don't. My makeup lasts all day long. I think primer just makes me feel heavy. Sometimes I prime, but I do it for you guys because I get a lot of questions on, hey, you missed that step. Why did you not do that? I just haven't found a primer that I'm like absolutely in love with. So that's why I don't use it. So anyways, I'm going to buff this in with a brush as much as I can, and then I'm gonna go over it with a beauty blender to make sure everything's just like melted into my skin. Now let's take a beauty blender. This one's damp. I'm just gonna push the product into my skin. Again, this will take away any extra foundation that doesn't belong on your face, and it's gonna get rid of those like brush strokes that you could get using a brush. I've been loving this concealer by Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. I'm in the shade, well, I have the shade C12. I love it. It is a little bit bright. I wish they had something. The next shade, I feel like, well, I don't know. I'm not going to say anything because I'm going to go pick that up right after this video. And these are only like $6. Alright, so now, oh, we don't need to set, not yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. I can't find it. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. Anyway, it bugs me because I know it's somewhere, but it's like hiding from me. My makeup likes to hide from me. I don't know why. I treat you guys so well. Let's go ahead and just use this one that I don't want to use. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go ahead and resume. So I'm setting my under eye. Now, I waited a long time to set it because I was looking for that freaking contour stick, but I still didn't freaking find it. I just found it. Bruh. Should I go use it? Dang it, man. The one place I didn't look, I see it right there on the floor. So annoyed. Anyway, let's just go ahead and set this. And for the last color, I'm going to be using this beautiful Hot Fire color. I've used this before in a tutorial, but it's a completely different eye look. It's pretty much just 3 shades of orange, and I love it. So we're gonna take this color right here with a flat brush. You see, I've used it yesterday, so I keep doing this look over and over again. Once you master a look, you can do it stupid fast, really fast. So I'm gonna take this, and I like to put my head down so I avoid getting any transfer. To be honest, if you use your finger, it'll be much more pigmented, but I may have to go into that. See, I already got some fallout, if you can see. Okay, I'll go and place it with this brush, and then I'm gonna go over it with my finger to really intensify the color. You could wet this. You could wet your brush and then go into the eyeshadow, but I just feel like it makes my eyeshadow all weird, and I don't know. I don't like that. I don't want to ruin my palette. So I'm just going to take some on my finger and just push that in. And it just intensifies that bead so much. Now we're going to dust away everything. So if you put enough powder, all the transfer that does fall, it will just wipe right off. Is everybody calling me? Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna dust this off. I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to put on the lower lash. I already kind of did it, but my camera wasn't recording, so I'll do it again for you guys. But you just run it on the bottom, just to connect everything, bring everything together, like that. And today, I'm not gonna do any liner. Actually, normally with this look, I don't know, I just wanted to look really, really fresh and springy, summery. So, trying to keep everything super easy and lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on these Morphe lashes I've been wearing lately. They're on their very, very, very last leg. So I'm gonna go ahead, put some duo lash glue on there that I don't like. I like my Kiss lash glue the best, but I ran out, so I'm gonna use this glue. I'll wait till it gets tacky, pop them on, and I'll be back. Oh, I didn't put on mascara, but that's okay, I'll put it on after. But go ahead and put on your mascara, pop on your lashes, and then we will be back to finish everything up. We're almost there, y'all. We're almost there.